Hi, I'm Sonia. I am an infrastructure operations engineer inside the Digital Innovation and Technology department. On a daily basis, I deploy cross-platform applications like iOS or Android, Windows to personal and corporate devices. My team is in charge of managing those devices using cloud profiles, compliance policies, improving user experience, productivity, while trying to maintain a certain level of security always. Apply some hardening in those devices and so on. I also provide L3 support for this device management from the cloud. The technologies I use on my daily basis are Azure, Endpoint Manager, Configuration Manager also. For scripting, I use PowerShell. I think the best part working here at Schneider is to be part of this global team because I have the opportunity to talk to these people from different cultures, different backgrounds, with different skills. That let me learn every day about many different fields and be adapted to changes in general. I think that's a key point here for Schneider Digital.